Hello everyone, this is David from the User Experience Group at Finastra, and today we're going to talk about how to install our Angular material theme so that you can benefit of the branding of Finastra and also of lots of UI elements so that you can make the application much faster and also more sexier. Let's get to it. Some prerequisites to this getting started. We expect you to have some knowledge, basic knowledge on Angular, and if you do not, there are two guides that we've linked here that you can have a look for and get on top of things. But as of right now, we're going to focus on this first part, which is the installation of the material theme as we discussed in the intro. So as a base, I created this very simple application showcasing the global navigation pattern, showing you the different products within your solution and the tools in the navigation bar. You can find this pattern detailed inside of Patterns Global Navigation on the Design System website. But for now, we're going to try to add some sexiness to this very blank application. I've just been using Angular and Angular Material out of the box without no fancy stuff. But I'm going to show you that with these two simple lines, I'm going to add a lot more sexiness to our stuff. So let me open a new terminal and launch the first command that will install the theme in our application. And after a few seconds, we should have this new line here showing dependency on our latest version. This version maybe if you see this in the future, it will not be the same one, but everything should be the same. And we're going to import the styling and replace the ones from the basic material theme. So we save that. The watcher on my app builder saw the changes, repackaged everything, and now if we over to our application, we see this brand new sexy style, and the side nav is also very much changed, and that's so much better, right? Let's have a look at the internals just very quickly. You can see for this, for example, this title here, it has the UXG H2 class. And if you head over to the website back, you can go into Foundations Typography. You have the designer documentation for the typography, showing you the different levels of headline, subtitle, display, and so on. And in the developer documentation, you can see that, for example, we use this class here to style our H2 accordingly so that it shows a big and with impact on our page. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.